Hi, my name is Harishankar Panduranga Sri Venkat Jandhyala. I work for Oracle in Hyderabad. So I have around 23 years of IT experience. 2023, I got opportunity to join in IIM Executive MBA through TimesPro. So it's a good experience I have here and learned a lot about the new technology. And also I got opportunity to do guest faculty for a couple of classes for the other programs, like a digital transformation for strategic leaders, and that I took sessions for the enterprise data management. We learned other than IT, the remaining like organizational changes, organizational behavior, and digital transformation sessions, and other like a financial part, technical management part, supply chain part, like different types of skills we learn here. And each is interlinked to other, like I work for the Walmart, so I work for the logistics there. That helps me a lot to understand how these programs. So most of the programs are very resemble to each to help in the career growth for the management side. As a senior person, this helps me a lot for going to in the higher level management roles. If we do MBA, you have to do a reputation institutes like IIMs, which helps them to understand, as the faculties are very great, based on their experience, their knowledge, and they're giving the real-time scenarios, explaining us how it works. But the dedication should be there to get this course complete. When you promise, you have to keep a promise, and dedicatedly you have to work to get your degree. Then it's useful. Weekend course, tight schedule. It's a big challenge. These case studies are very good. They teach very well. If you see that, if we read online YouTube, the different story. But when the professor was saying based on their experience, it's excellent. I'm an IT guy, so you see that most of digital transformation is the one which is important for me, which helped me to get very well for my IT. Okay, so each subject is a challenge. Each subject is important for my career. That's the reason the management course I'm doing, because as a senior 23 years plus experience, I want to move from technical to manager, but I don't want to leave my technical. So techno-functional manager, in that way I want to go. That helps a lot for my career, as well as I can contribute myself to the organizations. That helps the organizations to myself to grow, as well as the organization to get my job done for them, to make sure that I do balancing my both IT as well as management skills to get them. As the reason I was doing this is I got a good opportunity to one of the organizations. End of the day, when they're relieving the offer, I noticed that I don't have an MBA. I lost that opportunity.